Your clients already know AI exists. They know it's fast, they know it's cheap, and now they expect you to match it. But you can't. Not when you're stuck inside slow funnels, fragile workflows, broken automations, and tools that weren't built for today's world. Agencies aren't losing clients because they're bad. They're losing clients because the old model is collapsing. And while clients expect results faster than ever, your tools are slowing you down more than ever. Every day, agencies spend hours inside funnels, CRMs, workflows, and emails, fixing things that shouldn't need fixing, waiting on slow pages, hoping that automations fire, and apologizing for things they didn't break. You're not just running an agency anymore, you're running a tool stack. A fragile, unpredictable, expensive tool stack. And with paid ads costs rising, AI hype everywhere, and clients expecting more for less, you can't afford inefficiency. Not when margins are tight, and not when every second counts. Not when clients expect performance at AI speed. That's why we built Sway, not as another tool, but as a new operating system for agencies. A system designed to replace slow, manual, labor-heavy delivery with something far smarter, far faster, and actually built for the world you're competing in today. The moment you join, Sway builds a marketing playbook for your agency or client. It learns the business, the customers, the offer, the tone, the goals, the brand. No long setup, no steep learning curve, and no technical jargon. From there, you simply tell Sway what you want. Get me new appointments, launch a lead gen campaign, retain clients longer, boost sales this month. Sway takes that goal and turns it into a competitive end-to-end campaign strategy. You approve the avatar, the budget, the positioning, the messaging. You guide the style by showing examples you like. And Sway creates all assets to match it. And once everything looks right, you click a button and Sway builds everything. The landing pages, the emails, the ads, the automations, the nurture flows, the entire funnel across multiple channels, created in minutes. No more copywriting, no more funnel building, no more workflow patching, and no more tool chaos. And when the campaign goes live, Sway doesn't stop. It tracks performance across the entire customer journey. It finds drop-offs, it identifies bottlenecks, it gives you continuous suggestions to improve results. Not once a quarter, but every single day. Your campaigns also get supported by AI sales agents who respond instantly, nurture leads automatically, and help your clients convert faster than human reps ever could. It's like having a strategist, a media buyer, a funnel builder, copywriter, a data analyst, and a sales team all inside one AI-powered system. But here's what matters. You stay in control, you approve the ideas, you guide the direction, and you decide what goes live. Sway just handles the weight, the repetitive work, the technical work, the time-consuming work, so you can focus on what actually grows your agency: strategy, creativity, relationships, and revenue. Clients get better results, and you get your time back. Your margins grow, your retention stabilizes, and your agency becomes something clients trust with confidence, because your delivery is no longer fragile. This is the shift happening across the agency world. The end of the manual tool stack agency, the rise of the AI native agency, where you guide the strategy and AI executes the work. Agencies that evolve will dominate the next 2 to 3 years. Agencies that don't will compete with AI instead of piloting it. If you're ready to grow faster with less effort, if you're ready to deliver campaigns in minutes instead of weeks, if you're ready to step out of the tool stack and into the future of agency delivery, welcome to Sway. Start your free trial and join the AI native agency community. The next era of agency growth begins here.